Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Easy Home humidifier. First, find a suitable location for your humidifier. Place it on a firm, level surface, at least 6 inches from any walls or furniture to allow for proper mist dispersion. Next, carefully remove the water tank and fill it with cool, clean tap water. Avoid using hot water or adding essential oils directly into the tank. Finally, securely plug the power cord into a standard electrical outlet. Once your humidifier is set up, it's time to turn it on. Locate the control knob, usually on the front or side, and rotate it to your preferred mist intensity. You can choose from low to high settings. Many models also feature an adjustable mist nozzle. Simply rotate it to direct the mist flow. For best results, aim for a relative humidity between 40% and 60% in your living space. Regular cleaning is crucial for maintaining your humidifier's efficiency and preventing mold growth. Every few days, empty any remaining water and thoroughly clean the tank and base. A mixture of white vinegar and water works well for removing mineral deposits. Use a soft brush for scrubbing. Remember to rinse all components thoroughly before refilling. This simple routine ensures fresh, clean mist. Encountering an issue? If your humidifier isn't producing mist, first check that the water tank is full and properly seated. Also, ensure the unit is on a level surface. If you hear unusual noises, unplug the unit and inspect for any loose components or obstructions in the fan area. Always refer to your specific model's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps. And hey, for other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.